we can't make somebody leave a situation, but we can give them all the tools and be there for them when they decide it's time.
A one-stop shop for victims of domestic violence, sexual assault, human trafficking, and elder abuse. That's how Mike Averill describes the Family Safety Center, where they provide a number of free and confidential services for survivors.
We've got on site, we have detectives, nurses to do forensic exams. We've got attorneys who can provide free services. We've got people who can walk you through the protective order process and make sure that you're telling your story in the best way that kind of shows what's happening to you.
The Family Safety Center has told us in a previous report that Oklahoma is ranked second nationally in the number of domestic violence incidents.
A lot of the times, the people involved in murder suicides and family homicides in general, they haven't been seeking any services. And a lot of times people, family members weren't aware that there was even a situation going on.
This week, the Oklahoma Domestic Violence Fatality Review Board released their annual report for 2023, which revealed that domestic homicide numbers spiked 16% from the previous year, with a total of 122 victims. Senator Todd Gollihar says he's joining with the Attorney General's office and other lawmakers to tackle this issue of growing domestic violence incidents. Gollihar is authoring Senate Bill 541, which he says would impose stricter sentencing on domestic violence abusers with prior domestic violence convictions.
And it mandates that they serve a significant portion of their sentence before parole eligibility. It's basically creating space and time, putting the abuser in jail and creating that space and time for the victim to, be safe, be able to receive counseling, as well as to make a decision on the relationship or however that's going to happen.
Gollihar says there are at least 30 domestic violence programs in Oklahoma, and he believes that supporting and expanding those programs and making them known to the public will help solve what he's calling an epidemic.
The programs we have are adequate for Oklahoma. We just need to fund them correctly, and we need to make sure people know about those programs.
We'll have a link to the list of free and confidential services that the Family Safety Center provides on our website, ktul.com. Ryan Stockett, News Channel 8.